Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
11 years or 13 years ago, I saw Rockstar.
Okay.
And I had messaged Imtiaz Ali sir saying that even if I get to play a in your film,
नजर लग जाना एंड एक बार वो जो नजर उतारते भी है मम्मी लोग जो करते
हाँ,
हैं वो कर दो तो उसके बाद तो फाइन
simple sweet girl, चकदे की विद्या शर्मा हूँ या मिस मैच की जीनत करी हूँ.
I'm in love with her. Yeah, I want this energy. Yeah, exactly. This energy I want in life.
I'm extremely strict myself. I'm a yoga teacher.
Hello. So today we are with the gorgeous ladies of Abhiti. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि हमारे जो डायरेक्टर्स और एक्टर्स हैं उन सबकी मेहनत लगन और विद्या से इस सीरीज को बहुत 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 सारी शुभकामनाएं मिले.
Sweet.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'll be starting with some nice questions about the series.
चल.
So what was your reaction when you first saw the script and you were like, oh okay ये करना पड़ेगा?
So जब सीजन 2 के लिए मेरे पास नरेशन आया तब I was very excited because मैं कुछ अलग करना चाहती थी और जिस तरीके के मैंने कैरेक्टर पहले किए हैं सब बहुत अच्छी लड़की पॉजिटिव रोल्स किए हैं सारे. तो जब मुझे नरेशन मिला I was very excited to do it and then because इतना कुछ करने को था इस कैरेक्टर में. So yeah, मुझे नहीं पता मतलब उस वक्त कोई रीजन नहीं मिला मुझे कि मैं उस कैरेक्टर को ना बोल दूं. So I went ahead and I played Sonam in season 2. Then that got over. फिर season 3 की बारी आई तो जब मैं नरेशन के लिए गई मुझे लगा हाँ ठीक है मतलब जैसा किया था काम season 2 में उसी टाइप का कुछ कैरेक्टर हो आगे कर रहे थे. But then it was so much more darker, more evil and maybe a little bit of a psycho also she's become in season 3. So थोड़ा challenging लगा मुझे. I was a little oh my god, how will I be able to do it? Will I be able to do it? But then I just went ahead with it and let's do it. Why not? That's what we actors are hungry for at the moment because and also with OTT I think बहुत options मिल रहे हैं and it's so nice that we are getting so many choices. Otherwise I feel अगर मैं television में होती and OTT नहीं होता I don't think मुझे ऐसे films में ये सब practice करने को मिलते हैं. It's beautiful, it's amazing.
How was your reaction?
I think she's been a part of season 2 or when I got a call for this series. I think पहले जो ये लिखा गया था वो they were just gonna take somebody new as such, but then as the role developed उन्हें लगा कि कोई थोड़ा सा guidance चाहिए इसके लिए. That's why I think they approached me. Exactly like what Asha said कि मैंने भी इससे पहले कभी इस टेरिटरी में एंट्री नहीं ली है. हमेशा I've been this goody two shoes, simple sweet girl, चकदे की विद्या शर्मा हूँ या मिस मैच की जीनत करी हूँ. उसी डायस्पोरा में मेरा परफॉर्मेंसेस और कैरेक्टर्स रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक ये मेरे लिए भी नई चीज थी इसीलिए ये एक्सप्लोर करना मेरे लिए बहुत ही मजेदार था. द मोमेंट आई फिगर्ड दैट दिस वाज फॉर अभय 3 एंड because I'd watched the first 2 seasons and I'd also liked them very much और मुझे पता था यहाँ कि कुछ different होने वाला है. I will be able to explore my dark side on camera and that's why I just jumped at it. I was like, I knew how to do it. There was no way I would say no to something like that because it is I think as an artist आपको first of all एक opportunity चाहिए और किसी और को if you know that somebody else actually believes that I'll be able to pull something off क्योंकि it takes a vision of another person to actually say कि why can't we cast this one. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में सब इतने टाइप कास्ट होते हैं नॉर्मली कि आप फिर उनको उसी रोल्स में देखना पसंद करते हैं. तो अगर कुछ डिफरेंट करने का मौका मिल रहा है और अगर किसी और का कन्विक्शन है आपके अंदर कि I'll be able to do it, then of course in any case I'll give my everything. But this was just I was like 100% yes I want to do this and let's see where I can explore क्योंकि I think सबके अंदर एक गुड साइड होती है एक डार्क साइड होती है और वही है कि हम नॉर्मली वो डार्क साइड सप्रेस करके people like us want to do good and be good. So this was a nice space where you could actually see कि कहाँ तक पुश किया जा सकता है. And it was pushing the envelope for me. I loved every single bit of it.
So is there any memorable incident from the sets जब आप शूटिंग करते तो हमेशा कुछ मजेदार होता है या तो फिर कुछ ऐसा होता है जो आपको हमेशा के लिए याद रहता है कि शिट ये ऐसा मेरे साथ हो गया था?
Yeah, I think for me day 1 of the set, first show जैसे कहते हैं day 1 पहला शॉट था जब मैं पहले कभी विजय राज सर को मिली नहीं हूँ और मैं उन्हें जानती नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ उनका काम देखा हुआ है. So I was, that way, I didn't really know him. और मेरे हाथ में whip पकड़ा दिया था और कहा था कि मारो, so that was very daunting for me at that time, क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी कि कैसे, because I don't know him, right? And he's a senior actor, you want to be like proper in front of him. And there it was, and I was a little nervous and kind of scared as well. And so पहले तो I took the whip and I started whipping him on action, and then the director just was like, okay, cut. अच्छा विद्या, तुम्हें ये cuteness हटाना है ना अभी, because we are not Vidya, we are Nidhi. So चलो, let's like get on with this. And so I think after that initial hesitation, when I said, अच्छा जो भी है, I'm just going to say sorry to him a million times. और मारना तो पड़ेगा, मारूंगी. और वो ऐसे उनका वो फ्लिंच होते थे, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था. बट I think for the next 3, 4, 5 hours जो भी हम लोग वो सीन कर रहे थे, वो उसमें he was just getting beaten up by me. I was feeling very bad. Yeah.
So जैसे कि हमने ट्रेलर देखा नहीं, it's very dark and it's all about supernatural powers, आत्मा वगैरह सब कुछ. So do you believe that something like this exists?
Yeah, I तो believe. As we were talking about it yesterday, अगर अच्छाई है तो बुराई भी है, and good and evil दोनों exist करते हैं. And yeah, I think बहुत एक हम कल बात कर रहे थे, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत उसका माइनर एग्जाम्पल इज नजर लग जाना. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो लाइक एनर्जी, अगर किसी की नेगेटिव एनर्जी है उस तरीके से दे लुक एट यू और व्हाटएवर, वो हो जाता है, वो लग जाती है आप पे, एंड यू फील हैवी एंड यू फील ड्रेन्ड. एंड एक बार वो जो नजर उतारते हुए मम्मी लोग जो करते हैं वो कर दो, तो उसके बाद फाइन. You just find it so like amazing.
So do you think it's psychological या फिर like?
No, I think it is there. Energy is there. Negative energy
is everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you can tell. There is a negative energy about
a lot
somebody.
of time you meet somebody and you just feel drained after that. Like
they're called energy vampires, right?
Yeah. And empath should be away. Like should be ignoring such.
Exactly. Taking care of. Yeah. So I practice yoga and stuff like that, and I think there are a lot of things that you can क्योंकि there was a time मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों की एनर्जी का अफेक्ट होता था, बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट होता था. And so over a period of time I realized how to sort of not manipulate, but how to take care of that and
not absorb that.
Exactly, because as empaths we do absorb. So of course that takes a lot of work on yourself and understanding and being aware. तो जो जिस एनर्जी से आपको लगता है कि आपको you're getting sucked out of your system, then you are going to take care of yourself as well. That makes sense. Plus, I think everything in the world is energy. So evil भी है, good भी है, आपके अंदर भी दोनों है. तो आप किसको ज्यादा वेटेज देते हो, वो completely your thing.
So Vidya, you have like done web series, you have done films, you have actually, in fact, worked with King Khan. So is there any particular director or any other actor you would like to work with in future?
I think there are so
many, right? So many.
Not like one. So I tell you what happened. I think it's 11 years or 13 years ago, I saw Rockstar.
Okay.
And I had messaged Imtiaz Ali sir saying that even if I get to play a in your film, I would.
Okay.
I mean, that film was something else. I just took back and I was like, what is this film? I was completely like, for days I've stayed with that film. And it's taken 11 years and I finally worked with him.
Right.
So I feel like again, manifestation. So there are so many people, like there's just to take one name, there's Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Don't we all want to work with him at some point?
Even though knowing that it's not very easy, what all stories.
But the universe has a way.
No, not easy. Like he's also very strict, is what I've heard, is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so exactly. I'll tell you what, I enjoy discipline.
Okay.
I'm extremely strict myself. I'm a yoga teacher. So I am strict in that sense, but I also enjoy discipline. I love the fact that I can wake up at 5:30 or whatever every morning and I do my practice and I give it that much time, because I feel like एक तो discipline और determination के बदले और hunger, without that आपको कुछ नहीं मिल सकता जिंदगी में. You got to put in the effort.
Right.
अगर ऐसे ही कुछ मिल जाए तो फिर I mean it's great, it's lovely. But if you put in the effort, there's something that success at a different zone in your head then.
So this series is all, filled with thrill, suspense, darkness as well. So fans are somewhere, missing that romantic side of yours. So is there anything like in your personal life which will somewhere, come back with it?
And I'm in love with her. Yeah, I want this energy. Yeah, exactly. This energy I want in life.
And we didn't plan this, but you said
Exactly. And this is the kind of energy.
Star love, you see.
Yeah, see, we've not.
Imagine.
हमारा एक भी scene साथ में
Imagine how it would have
Okay.
been if we would have worked
Worked
together.
together.
Imagine.
We would have been sitting in each other's van eating खाना.
Yeah, I am sure. I
ऐसे
am
ही अच्छा
sure.
अगला holiday कहाँ?
Yeah, I am sure. And we would have gone to some spiritual place only. I don't know why I feel that.
Yeah, chalo.
Shiva Bhakt.
Yeah, totally. No, so I think, yeah, like you were saying, this is it, yeah. This is energy again, no?
Yeah, the vibe.
Why? Yeah.
And you know when the vibe is right and it clicks, you know it.
But I'll tell you what, I think, so for me, it's very important to live every moment like this is it, you know,
This is
because
it,
I
yeah.
don't know what's gonna happen.
Exactly.
This moment, I walk out of this
Exactly.
hotel and, you know,
Yeah.
I don't know, I might crash into something. So why not give what I have to this moment? And if I can
Totally.
smile and if I can make someone else smile, what is it? Why? I don't like to carry the burden of people's expectations or of people's negativities on me. So
Yeah,
आपके पास है, आप
correct,
रखो
correct.
what I have. I'm very open and I'm very ready to give it to him. So
right.
it's not about the love in terms of, like you were saying, romantic
Romantically,
love.
yeah.
Oh, this is all romance. what
Yeah,
we're
like
doing right now
enjoying
is
your cup of
romance.
coffee in the morning is also
Also
love.
romance.
Like
Yeah,
romancing with the cup, you know,
Yeah,
loving the cup,
totally.
loving that moment, loving that you are just like peaceful, sitting with your mug of coffee, looking out of the window. That is like a moment of love.
True.
Yeah.
So after a whole like tiring shoot day, what is that one thing which gives you the peace? Like, okay, yeah, now I am at calm.
My bed.
Okay.
Yeah, same. My house, like my house, my home. My
Okay.
home. It does. I always look forward to going back home.
Also, it's my dog. You know, whatever time,
Yeah.
even if I come home at like 4 a.m. in the morning,
Yeah.
she knows. And I don't know why, she'll be fast asleep, but when I enter the lift or when I enter the building, she knows I'm there. And even at 4 o'clock in the morning, when I open the door, I think,
Yeah.
halke se, she's there back at the and she just knows it's mama's back home. And it's just the most, I don't know, I don't think I've ever had any romantic moment like that ever in my
That
life.
pure
with
of love.
anybody,
Yeah.
That's
man,
good.
woman, whatever, nobody's welcomed me like that, like my dog. And it's not like aaj ho gaya. It's like for the last 4 years that she's been with me, every single time I go back home. And I look forward to it like so much.
Okay. So this is just a last question. So all your fans are expecting something great out of this. So as viewers, what should they expect from this last season?
I think people have not seen the both of us. I mean, they've seen me in season 2 being a little bit grey, but I think for us, they've never seen us being this evil. And, you know, we've always been like good girl, playing nice characters and positive characters. So, yeah, I mean, in season 3, you'll see me even more darker, and of course, you'll see Vidya being evilish and whatever, like the cult that she was talking about,
Yeah,
like just being a
so-
part of that.
Yeah, so I think we are like hopefully a cherry on the cake. The
Yeah,
cake is obviously
Mr. Kemu.
Abhay and Nidhi, of course, and a whole lot of us. You know, everybody who's come in here is coming in here to do. Maybe I don't know. Like I talk about my part. It's not like a long part or anything. The length
Yeah,
is not
yeah,
important.
neither
The
me,
impact,
of course.
I think, is phenomenal for both of us and for all of us. And if you've liked Abhay 1 and Abhay 2, I think this one's going to take it to another level. It's not just a cop and murderer sort of a drama.
Yeah,
It's just not.
exactly.
It's you know, the good and evil in this season is taken many notches higher. There
Supernatural
is
stuff
supernatural
happening.
world happening. There is a cult happening. There is indoctrination. For Nidhi, my character, she is for her. You might think that she's evil, but for her, she's not evil. She's doing. For her, Mrityu is her god. Yeah, I might look at her and for you might say, "Oh my
Yeah.
god,
Yeah.
what is this?" You know.
Right.
But yeah, that's just how it is. And people and cults like that exists. So yeah, we're ready to see you. It's a date on the 8th of April on Z5. Please watch Abhay season 3.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Divya.
This is Divya from India Forum signing off.